Hey guys, okay, I was just told that Lowe's has fruit trees on sale for half off. So I'm about to go see what they have and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Okay, y'all, I'm pulling up at my first Lowe's stop right now. Hopefully they have something. If not, I'll be off to the next one. Okay, the first stop didn't have any fruit trees. They had fruit trees, but they had things like oranges, lemon, citrus basically, and I'm not looking for that. And those aren't on sale. Those are $20 and up. I'm looking for the ones that's on sale. So off to the next stop. Okay, so I found the fruit trees and they are 50% off. Let's see what they have. Florida Peach, Florida Home Pear, and an apple, but I have one of those already. Pineapple pear, the Dorset Golden. So yeah, it looks like that's all they have. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these Florida peaches and I guess like a pineapple pear, and I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I came out with 2 trees. I did good today. I ain't go overboard. I got the Florida Queen Peach and a Florida King Peach. I was gonna get a pineapple pear, but I didn't simply because they were like really, really tall and I'm in my car today. MJ, stop plucking my leaves off the tree. Thank you. Well, anyway, y'all, that's what I got today, and I guess I'll be either putting them in pots or putting them in the ground either today or tomorrow. Alrighty.